Hi. Give me a second. So, as you know, we're getting ready for winter, so I'll go down and do something for a second. Alright. Number 1, if it's a snowstorm, don't go outside. And number 2, if you don't have any like winter stuff, like winter hat or like anything else, don't go outside. Number 3, if you only have clothes on, don't go outside. Alright, so this is supposed to be my fidget spinner video, so let's start on. My notifications go out to what's it? Lucas and Marcus. So good job, Lucas and Marcus. So Lucas and Marcus, please subscribe. I'm your best fan. I hate Lucas and Marcus. I'm just kidding. I hate Lucas and Marcus. So let's go on to my basement. Did you see that? Is there another one? I thought there was a towel. Yeah, I have a tiny one. So, got all my fidget stuff right here. So, first one, fidget cube. It's fun, but it's really, there's only like this, so there's only that little button, like you press it down, like 2, there's like this button, 3, there's this button, like it's like a little switch. See if you can see that? It says fidget cube. No, you can't see it really, but I forget what that's called. Stop sign. Smooth, nice. This. Oh, pressing all the other ones. Let's see, you press that down, roll it. Could take that one out like that. That one, yeah. So let's get on to the next one. My mini one. Do you see this? It's a mini fidget spinner. I'll show you up close. See how many it is? It's mini when it goes back. Okay. So this is how actually tiny it is. See? Yeah. Second one. I'll show you how big the real fidget spinner. My little other one. This one's not really good. I dropped it on the cement. Pretty good on that side, but see, it doesn't really put out. But it looks cool, doesn't it? Next one, this skeleton one. You can see that skeleton. Can't you see that? Skeleton. It's banned for 4 minutes and 45 seconds last night, so this one's like the best one. Next, this one. Last one, this one. This one's a metal one, so it's like pretty heavy. It's like awesome, so yeah, that's my last one. So I'll show you how big this is. I'll show you how big this little tiny one is compared to the other big one. So if you can see that, it's a little bit bigger, just like an inch bigger, like 2 inches bigger, so yeah. So guys, that's my fidget spinner video. Bye. Oh, and by the way, he's climbing a lot. We're gonna go on to the next video. It's gonna be a puppet video, so you might want to watch it. So it's right after this video, okay? So bye.